AONCO is a wireless doorbell. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside. We have an instruction manual, a sticker that says please ring bell, some hardware, the receiver with the light, the receiver with 4 buttons, light, volume up, forward, and previous. The transmitter with the bell button, and to pull, take off the actual battery inside with the self-adhesive on the back. Ever need to change out the battery in this area, this is a little area that you're going to press. It opens up the bottom and it has a battery inside protected by a weather seal. It is a 23A battery. Demonstration purposes, plug into an outlet. When plugging in the first time, be careful of the buttons. The light should flash and ring. In order to make it ring, simply hit the button. Please ring bell. To change the ringtones, one of the buttons on the side, the very bottom, there are many doorbell chimes. The next button is going to be the loudness. And that is pretty loud. You can mute it. And you have a flashing light. And the light will flash when you ring. At the light, you can press it once. It'll flash twice. Press it again. It'll stay solid. And then go off. And then press it again and it'll go back to the flashing. Go find a spot for your doorbell. I'm going to go outside and ring my doorbell. Peel off the back or simply grab the unit and you're going to slide down and lift the back cover away, and you have holes here to mount the unit on the wall. And take the doorbell, lock it in, and make sure you press it and it rings. Doorbells, they're not loud enough. This is loud enough. Place it anywhere wirelessly. Over time you'll change that battery. These doorbells are great for any place, a storefront, a house, a senior person that needs to hear a bell close by or in their room. All you need is an outlet and all you need is an area to put the transmitter up. I hope you enjoy your doorbell if this is right for you. It is an excellent unit, works in a long distance range, and I hope you enjoy your product.